That's not bad. Okay, I just put on the fake bangs and I put my hair back. Let me show you a few of these things so I can put them away. This is a fabulous fan. It says magic dryer. I believe it's just a fan. It comes with a little stand. Watch. Three speeds, and then it shuts. It looks like the Dyson hair dryer. You could dry your hair with it too. If you wanted to like dry your bangs maybe, but it is a great fan. And it is by Lynn Lash. Oh, and you know what it's really for? For eyelashes or dry client's eyes after cleansing or extension. Switch button can activate 3 modes. Aha! So it's for eyelashes. That's pretty funny. But I just use it as a fan. And now I can actually use it more because I don't have to keep it here. This is my favorite fiber powder. Non-choking, dissolves completely, sugar-free, taste-free, supports good bacteria. 1 scoop a day and you are regular. This is, I just buy this all the time. This, you could get the Equate or, let's see, this I got at Walmart. I think CVS has it too. These are bamboo cotton swabs. And I love them because they're fatter than regular ones and they're stronger. That's a bamboo stick. So even if you're cleaning around the house with it or cleaning your outer ear, it's not going to break on you or bend. Love these. And I will put links down for everything. This, I got 3 of them in the deal. I forget how much it was, but it wasn't a lot. This I got at the Dollar Tree. This is very cute. First of all, I saw this. Look at that copper emblem and this gray plastic. What could this be? What you do with this, you take that sticky tab and you stick it on the wall, and then the part that's got 2 sections gets clipped onto these 2 sections, and there you go. You could put this anywhere. Put tools, crayons, makeup, pencils, hair products, soap, and it has a drain, so you could put a bar of soap. They actually call it hair Taj. It's a shower basket. Keep your shower hair-free with our rust-proof basket that is designed to easily slide on and off to empty. Adhesive backing attaches to most shower walls. Can hold bobby pins, hair ties, bars of soap, or jewelry. Surface needs to be clean and dry, and then you put the adhesive sticker on, and you could put anything in it. And because of the drain, you could put it in the shower. Isn't that cute? This is too cute. Then I have my Ginger Chews peanut butter, and if you go in any store, you probably could find Chimes Ginger Chews, but if you find peanut butter ones, let me know what store, because I've never seen this flavor in a store before. They are delicious. The peanut butter takes the sting out of the ginger, and it soothes your stomach, and 5 milligrams of sodium, 3 sugars, no cholesterol, and it really helps to calm your stomach. For generations, our robust ginger has inspired calm and comfort. Easy, spicy, sweet chew is packed with fresh Java ginger, high in flavonoids known for centuries to promote digestive health. Perfect. I have no mascara on today. I've got like an itch on one eye, and my eye doctor gave me drops, and it's getting so much better, but I don't want to put mascara on yet. I did buy all new mascara. Okay, these are by HECI, HECI, and they are makeup remover balms. Now, this is the one that I like, and I'll show you why. It has this on top, and then you can scoop out the balm. Oh, it's very nice. It's very balmy. And then you could put it back on the top so you won't lose it, because don't you always lose those little spatulas they give you? This is fabulous. Inexpensive, fabulous. This was on Temu. Now, this is the same thing, but a different dispenser. This dispenser I did not like at all, because you were supposed to turn it and then the balm pops up. But it was so hard to turn, and when your hands are moisturized, you can never turn this. So I had to cut it. Now I'm going to finish cutting it all, and then I could get the rest of the balm out, because it's just absolutely impossible. So I'll put the link for this one, because you will really enjoy this, and the price is right. My favorite sunscreen right now is the e.l.f. Skin. I really like the Whoa. This is the invisible sunscreen, sun touchable, and then the other one is the Whoa sunscreen. They both look like this. They're clear. There's no white cast. Beautiful, like a gel. And then this, oh my God, this is like, you could take this with you anywhere, and you could put this on over your makeup during the day. I put it on under my makeup. It has delicious smell, and it is Neutrogena Wet Skin Kids Beach and Pool SPF 70. 70. Look at that. It's amazing. It's so easy to put on. I will constantly always buy this. SPF 70, and it goes on so easy, and I can put it on any time of the day, under or over my makeup. This is CERAVE sunscreen, 50, SPF 50, invisible zinc. But first of all, I can't get it open. Okay, takes a while. But the problem with this, it's white. It's white. I put it on my face under my makeup, and it takes forever for this white film to go away, if it ever does. So I could put it on where I don't mind it being white, like I'll put it on my hands and my arms, my neck, but I won't put it on my face. I will use it, actually, let me put some on. I will try to use it up and put it on my arms and my hands, because this is not for the face, because it's just too white. Just rub it in a little. Thank you for watching the video so I could clear this up. I think I told you this in another video, but I just have to get the word out there. This is from Walmart. CVS has it. Johnson & Johnson used to have it. I can't find it anymore. But this is the best baby powder for yourself. Lavender and chamomile, and I always specify not just lavender and not just chamomile. It does not work, because they've sent it to me one time. I ordered lavender and chamomile, and they sent me just the lavender, and I went, no, no, no. The smell of this is heavenly. I have nothing left. Let's see. Oh. I put this everywhere. In my pants, in my bra, under my arms, around my neck. Oh, and my grandkids say, Grandma, you smell so good. Really, you get a rush from this. This is the best ever. I'm going to put a link, and hopefully I'll find you the bargain where you get two together at a good price. Okay, so that's it. Good. Thank you, girls, for watching. So now I could put away some stuff. This is my brush that I use to straighten my hair. And it shines it up and straightens it at the same time. I'll put a link for this. This is incredible. It's got the ceramic around each prong, and that's what shines your hair up. And let's see. Ooh, it's hot. Oh. Ooh. Okay, I have to go get my mail. It's down by the mailboxes, and somebody just texted me and said, you have a package. So I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much. I hope you're enjoying your summer. Stay beautiful, and remember, I love you. Mwah!